URLs often use special characters like spaces, ampersands, and question marks that need to be encoded to ensure they're transmitted correctly across the web. A URL decoder is a tool that converts URLs or URL parameters back to their original format. For example, in my URL, you can see that we have a % symbol followed by the numbers that are part of our link. We can easily create a decoder in Alteryx. As you can see here, I started with creating a character code of 255 rows. Then you make an ASCII character set, leveraging your formula tool. These are the formulas that I used in order to create my set. And you can see that we've now created a little dictionary that we can use for lookup values and can then use the find and replace tool to replace those values within our string.